Welcome to BestusefulTips. Here I will show you how to factory reset Samsung Galaxy A50 using a hardware key or power and volume down button. First of all, switch off your Samsung Galaxy A50. Now long press power button and volume up button at same time until the screen wake up. Now wait until you can see recovery mode screen on your Samsung Galaxy A50. Here you can see reboot system, reboot bootloader, pipe catchy partition, mount system, power off and other option. You can use volume up or down button to select the option. Press volume down button until wipe data factory reset. If you want to choose wipe cache partition, tap wipe cache partition. Here we can see how to factory reset A50. After select the option, tap on a power button to apply it. Now you can see wipe all user data screen. Press volume down button to select yes. Now press power button again to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A50. Now you can see process or wiping data, formatting data at the bottom left corner. Now you can see below data wipe complete at bottom left corner. Now tap on a reboot system. Now press power button to apply. Now rebooting your phone. That's it. It's quite easy to factory reset Samsung Galaxy A50 using a recovery mode. Please like it, share it. Don't forget to subscribe to get latest tips.